What's going on, guys? So, we got a new office. So, we've taken possession of a new workshop office space to do what we do. It's got a couple of separate bays on each side, and this bit here is all lined out, as you can see. So it's a good little office space. It'll be good in winter, easy to keep warm. Some shelves and a bench and that already in here. Yeah. So this will be the new electronics kind of setup. We'll probably be bringing a battery pack and set it up down here and put some solar panels outside to feed it, etc. Just gonna have it's an old desktop that I got there. It's just a Core Duo or something. It's nothing special. It'll just be a desktop that'll be connected to that screen, and then we'll have the better laptops for other stuff. It's got some good shelves and stuff like that. Place for things up the top here. This great big mezzanine floor up here. Up into the roof we go. We've got this nice big mezzanine floor, which is also pretty well lit. We've got a lot of the goodies over here already. We've got a bit of an advantage over here. We've got access to lift things up with the forklift. All this shelving come with it, which is cool. I'll be able to put battery packs and all that kind of shit up on shelves. It's raining outside at the moment. It's not actually too loud, which is a bit of a surprise. It's all sizo papered up here, so yeah, a bit of natural light out of the skylights. What I'm thinking I'll probably do is get up from the front side with the forklift, or even the big ladder, and open just the laser light and feed solar panels up on the roof, just here somewhere, or maybe even on the back side. Would probably be better for sun pickup. Probably just get my 5250s or something up here and put the rest on vans and stuff. Got a box full of fluoro tubes over there, so I can make some of these work better. Probably even get rid of ones on that side and just do the center on this side, and we'll set up a big desk here for cell processing or whatnot. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a few sheets, much bigger sheets than that of that stuff, so I might be able to make like a board along the wall to hold chargers and stuff like that. Yeah, the aim is to make most of the cell processing and shit that I do solar powered, so it doesn't cost me any money, because I've got all of these to test and process, of course. We've got a heap more of them out at the workshop still. Also want to have these UPSs set up running on 18650s and that 2200 watt 12 volt inverter there I want to do stuff with. I basically want to stick a kilowatt meter at the end of each inverter, and just have enough solar coming in that I can just test the shit out of inverters and just have free power. So that's the aim of the game at the moment. So hopefully with the new space we're going to make some better videos with some of the things we've got here. I've only just started bringing stuff over here, so there's a lot of shit to get over here and sorted and play with. Like I want to build this into a kit box. I've got these. Haven't forgotten about the drawer on that. I've got to do that. So someone can win one of them. Yeah, so basically I don't really want to have to drill too many holes or do anything silly, but I'll have access to some solar power down here and up the top to process cells and things with, and I'll build batteries that work anywhere I take them. I do most of my work out on site, so when I'm out on people's sites I can plug them in and charge them up. And we got things like this that are prefab that I've got a few of, and yeah, 18650s and things everywhere. So once we get the move sorted, I'll start making more videos from in here, which will be cool. I'm really keen for that. So it's got some nice bright lighting and decent sized bench and all that. We'll set up a soldering iron station and things up there, but for the time being it means I'll be able to run my business out of here. And is that the screen flickering or the lights? It's the screen. Yeah, just thought I'd update you on what's been going on. I know it's probably been a little while between videos, but yeah, got a few things we've got to review. Got to review Jumpstarter pack, because unfortunately I don't think I'm going to get much more out of China for a while. They're struggling over there a bit at the moment. Batteries everywhere. Yeah, it's a new office. I'll update you as we go along with it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. I want to build a real, proper, like, gaming PC for out here as well. Yeah, that's a whole nother subject. Nothing like this, like a real serious one. Anyhow, catch you in the next vid, guys. See yous.